Hi everybody, this is Daniel Roberts again. I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce you all to Sarona Park, which is the park where I got most of my inspiration for dark urban narratives and Matilda's story in particular. Sitting here now, I can tell you that just a short while ago, this park was considered something of an oasis among the most crowded and hectic parts of Tel Aviv. It was a truly inspirational place, and I used to visit it almost every night. But recently, the park has changed due to a brutal urbanization process. Its magic is now gone, but hopefully Matilda's spirit can live on with your help. I know she would appreciate it. So, thank you on her behalf.